Information technology, or more commonly known as IT, is the most popular career and the fastest growing industry in the world. There are several success stories about people who chose this field for a career and who are on top of their game. But what is it about IT that makes it such a lucrative career choice for many professionals? Here are a few reasons why people who choose information technology are successful in their business life. One of the biggest advantages of choosing information technology for a career is that it has very low cost of education as compared to many other career choices. You do not need a 4-year degree to become an IT professional. Instead, you can get quick training to be certified in specific areas of information technology. My IT Education in Brooklyn, New York, led by Toshmatov. This way you save huge amounts of time and money that you may have otherwise spent on years of college tuition. The more knowledge and certifications you acquire, the more you'll advance in your career. IT is the fastest changing industry. The cities like New York is a place to many of the world's leading companies in a variety of industry sectors. With the innovations in cloud computing, big data, and cybersecurity, an aspiring IT professional has many avenues to pursue and grow from. An IT professional never stops learning and must always stay on top of the latest technological trends in order to be successful in the field. The more training and knowledge the IT professional has, the more employable he or she will be. Better income. It is a well-known fact that information technology professionals are paid well compared to other professionals. An IT professional with the right mix of certifications and experience can find a permanent position in either the public or private sector. Recently, many companies have been extensively hiring experts in web, mobile development, cloud computing, cybersecurity, and network security to help enhance their current systems. Many IT jobs provide great career advancement opportunities for a dedicated and hard-working IT professional. Information technology is the field of the millennial. Aspiring IT professionals must know that in order to succeed in the IT field, they must be committed to learning and adapting to new technological advancements in order to stay competent. This entails getting the right mix of experience and certifications. IT professionals that stay on top of the latest tech trends will have many career options to choose from. Let us look at the bigger picture. Technology is sweeping through the business world. There is no doubt about it. No company can escape the significant effects. Toshmatov is one of the IT leaders and pioneers who has been busy creating so many useful and exciting applications. He is an experienced web developer and architect for over 15 years in IT industry, and has held positions in technical support, engineering, and IT management. He has worked on cybersecurity projects for Department of Homeland Security as a consultant, and currently providing IT training to both on-site and online students. John has certifications in PHP engineering, Oracle database administration, IBM storage management, and many other organizations. If you are interested in a career in information technology, you can contact us at My IT Education by either visiting our website or call us at 347-576-4951. Our personalized and accelerated programs will train you to get the skills you need for today's jobs and improve your skills for tomorrow's competition. We encourage you to come and sit in one of our classes and challenge yourself working on simple to complex programming tasks and improve your programming aptitude. Classes are conducted in English, Russian, and Uzbek languages. We are located in Marine Park, Brooklyn, New York, close to train station B and Q trains at Kings Highway. I hope you enjoyed this presentation. Thank you for watching.